Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, friends. As you know, few days before I created one document management system in Python Django. So I did some further enhancement in that system, and today I want to show you that actually before we are saving the data, we are saving our documents in local system. Now today I will show you how we can save the data on AWS S3 bucket, and we are using the multiple buckets, one for learning and one for data, and for that bucket transfer we are using lambda function, but I did not show you the AWS site due to security reason. I will show you what we have to do in our Django application for saving the data and for fetching the data. Thank you. So first we can see our application is started. We can log in. This is our main screen. Log in and sign up. You already see the sign up, how we are using the sign up, and verification is code is coming in our mobile OTP number. So I also put the OTP on login now. So first I will go backside. I will check my mobile number is already there, otherwise I have to create the account, because for yes, my mobile already there. Actually I am using the Twilio, and Twilio actually providing one free account. We are going to Twilio, so they are providing one caller ID free account. Otherwise we have to purchase. So actually this is test. We have to now. I can log in using the admin. Sorry, I cleared the history. That's why it's showing. I will again log in. I open the admin dashboard, that's why. When we log in, it will ask the OTP number. Before it was asking the OTP only at the time of sign up, but now here I put another extra security, two-step verification due to cyber security issues. So every time a user will log in, the application will ask the OTP number. So I will not show you my mobile number. So I receive the OTP. I will put here my OTP and verify. If it is verified, so it will bring us on the dashboard. So this is our simple form. This client name. What client name we will put? The file folder will be based on this. For example, we are using the upload tool here. First I will show you front end. For example, here I put any file, any desktop ledger like this, ledger.pdf, and I put here upload. So it is going to save on S3 bucket, not on local PC. And it is calling from S3 bucket here. See. So what we did for doing this, I show you how we are bringing the folder name, dynamic folder name, and how we are saving the data on AWS. What we have to do, we have to, which step we have to follow, I will show you. Now this is simple. I am going to log out from here. Now, first we have to install there is already document on Django, no? You have to follow this document. Default storage, backend. We have to do settings. We need this AWS S3 session. Either we can create the session profile, or we can put the key, access key. What we are doing AWS. In AWS, what setting we are doing, I should tell you. For S3 bucket, first we are going to log in our AWS console. Login AWS console. Then first step, we can create the bucket. For landing, create bucket for data, create lambda function for transfer our media or files from landing to data bucket, landing bucket to data bucket. This part actually, due to security reason, I will not show you. Number 4, we can create IAM account, or in starting we can create IAM account. This is actually for getting the if you want to this bucket access, na, for this access this bucket, we need IAM. We have to create a IAM account, access management account. So access management account is actually what it is doing. It is actually giving the read, write, or execute from these buckets. So from AWS side, we have to do these things. And if I also hosted my application there, I will also host. So for hosting, we can create Lightsail or ACW, anything. So that we are creating the instance there also. We are creating the instance there. So instance we can create in Django. There is option for Linux, and also we can use the Windows also. We have to buy the instance, or there are free instance for 3 months. So this step we have to follow in AWS console. In our system, what we have to do, I'll show you. We have to install Boto3 also. This is actually S3 Boto3. Before Boto3 is coming, now S3 Boto3 is coming. This is actually new version. Default file storage. This parameter we have to provide. AWS access key ID, access key token. This is storage bucket name, which is the bucket default bucket name here. Region, what is our region? All this parameter there when we are creating bucket. So in IAM account, this is related to IAM account. This 3, this 2 for IAM account. Token number and key. This one actually from bucket detail we can say get. This ACL security something. So we are not giving any security because we already getting the token na? So which person has token, he is already allowed to access on there, and we can also access there, read, write, put anything. So this parameter we have to set in our system, otherwise it is going in local system. So after setting this, and also we can put something for if we are using the HTTPS na, so we can put it true here, true, because we are not, I'm not using the HTTPS, so I put here false. Session expiry also we can set here if you want to put, and allow host we can put IP if we are using the cloud, so cloud static IP they are providing the instance ID. Now it is local. If you can put asterisk, all IPs will allowed. So we can put here IP like they will put some IP like this. So now there is no IP. I am using in local PC. This is the settings.py file. For messaging, I already showed you before. Toilet code for messaging, na? This send message, token ID, SID, OTP. They are providing one number. This number, this is for sending the message. And what we did here, simply in models.py file, I'll show you another thing. In model.py file, na, for dynamic, for taking the dynamic folder name, actually we are creating here the file type in models.file type, na? So we are providing the folder name, which folder we have to save. So here actually what we are doing, we are saving actually in dynamic folder. Folder is based on the user ID, username, or any other thing. In my case, as per my requirement, I put here I change here allow host to all. In my case, I will put setting here allow host. To sign up again. I'll put the OTP number. Anyways, I will show you here. So here we are in models.py file. Here I write one method, you can say one function. We are getting the instance, first one. As you know, we are creating the method, or we can say self here. We are, if you know Python, we are using the first self, no? So same thing, it is instances here. Instance.client name, we can get instance of user ID. If you want to user ID, you can save the user ID. So in my case, I am using the client name. And second one is file. Returning what it is, returning two things, client name and file name. So here we are using the upload to, get upload to, and this one is actually for default. Here we are using the default landing bucket, and this one is actually I am using for data bucket. Doc file 2 I created, and here this is new method. Before Boto3 was coming, na? Boto was coming, now Boto3 S3 Boto3. We are providing the storage name here. Bucket name here coming, and upload to this one. That's it. This is the settings model.py file, and view simply we are getting the client name, last client name I am taking. If here is client name, else null, then I am writing here path in doc file 2 for doc file 1 obj, no? And here we are saving document request dot file, all the things we are saving here. So that's it. So this is actually what we did the change for saving the data. And now I put the OTP number which I came in my mobile. And now here you see this client name. Instead of this, we can also use the user, which is login user, any other thing. So this is my requirement, that's why I put here. And this file they are saving here. And it's actually reading from S3 buckets. That's it. Thank you very much.